We're here to talk about workplace violence mitigation, more specifically active shooter response scenarios. How you react as a company and as an individual if somebody comes into this place and starts shooting it up. These events are on the rise. 53% of all active shooter events occur in a place of business, similar to this, the manufacturing industry, office buildings. OSHA is now recognizing workplace violence as a significant enough threat in the United States where they are mandating or strongly recommending that companies with 10 or more employees have some kind of training just like this. An active shooter scenario where somebody comes into your place of business and starts killing people, what do you think the average length of time that whole thing goes on? 2 to 3 minutes is the average. Check the people that you're hiring, identify problems and weaknesses, train your employees, and help make the facility more secure. There's OSHA requirements and civil liabilities that are placed on the employer to make sure that they do that. One person is shot every 15 seconds until the shooter is stopped.